my name is Andrew. Today we're going to play Welding. You didn't think we were going to come back to this game, right? I played Welding like a long time ago. It was like a very long time. I actually liked it. It was pretty cool. I actually liked it. So now we're going to keep on playing Welding. I can't believe I'm back to this. It's because I got interested when I watched one of my videos. And of course, we're back to playing as Welding again. Now, I think I could beat... You remember those creepy eggs that I thought they were creepy? Apparently, they're not that creepy. I actually checked out and they're not that creepy. They're actually not that creepy anymore. Like, you remember last time when I thought you remember last time, I'll show you that clip right in a second. Be right back.
Heck? Oh, they're following me. Get away from me. Get away. Running.
Yeah, it was one of the worst times of my life. I did not know what to do about these creepy eggs, so now I'm back. Going to try and do it. Do more of these. Okay, creepy eggs, come at me. I remember last time you creepy eggs almost killed me. I remember that. I gotta keep it right there. Keep it there. So now we're in 2016 with you guys. Stop following me, alright? You're just creepy. I remember last time I bumped into you. I can't believe that I'm playing Welding once again. I mean, don't you remember last time I played Welding and it did not turn well? No, not all the eggs. Not all of them. I said not all of them. Okay, I'm not gonna hug all of you guys. But now I have a plan. It's me versus the creepy eggs. Now time to go. I have a good plan. Since now I'm not a noob, I am not a noob now. And now I'm finally have a good idea. So I'm gonna keep a magnet right there. So I just realized what to do. The good thing about this is I'm going to use this. What? I'm pressing it. Oh God, nothing but eggs. Hey, I remember last time when yeah! Time to use all these magnets. No. Use it. Yeah! Oh shoot, an army. Okay, they're against me. You know what? Get back. God, keep on moving. Oh, I can't believe I had to touch them. You know what? Get rid of you, all you eggs. Jump, screw you. Oh, you can get rid. They fly away if you have enough. They're like, oh my God, he's too scary. Let's play Pub Lub. Let's put the Pub Lub on us and play Sims 4, shall we? Not the right way. What? Go 100. Gotta put 100. Oh, it even makes a sonic sound. Well, okay, so there weren't onion rings. They were actually just. Oh my God, get rid of that. Give me all the ring. Give me. Get me! Hey, he's correcting my... Okay, no one takes away my coins. No one. It's epic meal time. Oh, forget it. Will you just stop it, man? I'm just funning. I didn't know what anything was in Welding until I played it. I have to realize you could just do this, my green block friend. This is it. I know what to do. Yeah. Nah. Okay. That's amazing. That's fun. That's good. See how much I'm laughing? Okay. Just cover it. Cover. I did it! I trapped those beasts. I know I have a plan. I learned that this game manipulates me. And I trapped the eggs. Yoo-hoo! I beat the egg monsters, everybody! Anybody? I beat the egg monsters! Yeah! I beat him! Oh yeah! Thank you, everybody! Thank you! Thank you! No more, please. So yeah, I beat him! Finally! I beat the egg monsters! The monsters! I beat the monsters! I am welding! This game is nothing. I am the awesomest. Okay. What? What just happened? Okay, I'm gonna play dice. I never actually... No, not fair! It's still a Kickstarter. It's not it has a... Okay. That's fair. Well, at least I don't have to go back to Short Pond and Brownie. Well, at least I can restart. 3 ordeal. Let's play basketball. Basketball. Oh no, I blocked that way also. Okay, let's do it right. It's not fair. Wait, it's because I keep on pressing the Kickstarter. I get it. I'm learning. I'm a lizard. Okay. Get a basketball. And I think I made it. You think I can make it? Okay, let's go. What? 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 typical. Very typical. That is brutal. That is so brutal. I beat it. I literally beat the game. That's it. That's it. That's the game. That's the game. That's in. Go. Go. It's the end. It's the end of the game. I'm also going to end it with a bang. And I mean a literal bang. Time to use the ultimate weapon ever. What? Oh no! No, not right here. Make it into a tower. I gotta make it into a tower. Get to the tower. It's a circle of life. So that was welding, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. And if you want to see me even do more welding, please comment down below, subscribe, and like my videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Bye. Huzzah.